This video is about an app that's more or less dead in the water at this point. But I wanted to show this the app to you because it's got a couple of nice things in it, and it turned out pretty good. I'm not crazy about the color scheme, but that's what I was given to work with. So that's life sometimes. So you're seeing an image of my iPhone. So I'm just going to fire this up on my iPhone, and it's the Dhobi app on the lower right-hand corner. So I'm just going to fire that up. So up comes a welcome screen, and I'm welcoming the person whose profile is entered into Dhobi. Now you can edit or create a profile, or you can go directly to scheduling an order. And Dhobi is all about a laundry service, so you can schedule laundry, dry cleaning, that sort of thing. So if I tap on the profile area, we've got a choice of 3 profiles that we can use, and the profiles are basically addresses, places where you can pick up and drop off laundry. And at this point in this version of the app, pick up and drop off would be the same place. So we can choose home, as you can see in the middle buttons, or you can choose office, or you can choose other. I'm just going to hit other. And you'll see the names, the name, email, and cell numbers don't change, but the address does change for the 3 locations. And this is all being saved and held in local storage. And you can save the profile, and you'll get a nice toast message popping up. And from here, you can go on and schedule an order, or you can go back to the profile. There's a bit of a menu structure. It's not too much. Account profile, which is the profile screen we just came from, some support information. Then we can go back or get some Adobe Facts. So that works quite nicely. We can go back from there. So let's go on to schedule an order. And here we can select the type of order that we want to create: dry cleaning, laundry, shoe repair, that sort of thing. So we'll do laundry. Now if I just go ahead, there's some default values in for dates. Pickup date and pickup time, drop-off time rather. Pickup date and drop-off are the same date. So if we try to go next, we'll get a message up saying that the drop-off date and time have to be after. So I'll schedule pickup for that date, but here I'll schedule for the next day, and I haven't picked a location, so let's try that now. So we'll get another message so that's required. Now if I didn't have all 3 home, office, and other locations entered, and I picked one, I'd get a message saying that that profile hadn't been set up yet. So I'll just pick home. I'll go next. Now I can customize for laundry, and I can pick Tide, which is already checked, or Gain, or Purex, a wash style, or that, or I can just ask them to what they call Dobify it, place an order. I can add some notes, and what this is all about, the general idea behind this app was to do it very quickly, to create it very quickly, and then to make the order processing fairly simple, which I think has been accomplished, and to allow this to run without a back-end server. So we've got local storage handling all of the 3 addresses, and when we place an order, we're not really doing anything except sending an email out to Mandrill with all the order details, and the email goes to Dhobi. And then they can pick it up from that point and confirm with the customer what they want to do, if that has to happen, anything like that. So very simple, very fast, and those were the parameters at the time. And so that's it. So I just wanted to run that past everyone. Thanks for having a look. There's something actually I wanted to show you as well. So now I'm running alpha and a live preview of this app, and you'll notice I've got this. You can't see it, but I've got this running in an iPhone 4 vertical format. And this is something I asked Bob about, and he made this suggestion, and it just worked out just really nicely, and it was so simple to implement. So now I'm going to change this to an iPhone 5 vertical because I've got a lot more space. Now it needs a little bit more tweaking, but the general idea is that I put most of these into containers anyway, just to get alignment and have like real control over what I want to do. So in the containers, and I wanted them spaced out nicely as well. So in the containers, instead of using pixels, I use percentages. So now this will scale vertically to anything I've got going on, which is really kind of neat. I'll just change that. I can't do it there. Oh, I can change the time. That'll be fine. And I'll do that. I'll do that. And next. So here you can see it a little bit better. It's spaced out a little bit nicer. So if I change back to an iPhone 4, you'll see everything scrunches up kind of nicely. Again, a little bit more detail could be done, but again, it scales really nicely, I think. So very, very handy to know about that stuff. Thanks for looking.